Your company reviews monthly performance. The average defect rate is 3%. Everyone relaxes. 3% feels stable, predictable, comforting. But what does that number actually represent? What if no week was ever 3%? A team handles calls all day. The monthly report shows an average call time of 6 minutes. Right on target. But half the calls were under 2 minutes. Customers hanging up frustrated. The other half were over 10 minutes. Agents overwhelmed. No one had a 6-minute call. 6 minutes is a mathematical summary, not an event that ever happened. This is what Donald Wheeler calls the flaw of averages. An average removes variation. And variation is where information lives. Nearly 100 years ago, Walter Shewhart pointed out something simple. Data produced over time has structure. If you collapse it into one number, you destroy that structure. The average hides the behavior of the process. Imagine putting 1 foot in ice water and 1 foot in boiling water. On average, you are comfortable. But that is absurd. Averages can describe arithmetic. They cannot describe experience. Here is the real issue. Averages hide the extremes. They hide the shape. They hide what actually happened. Averages summarize. They do not explain. If you want to understand reality, you must look at the individual values. Not the summary. Not the report. Not the single number. Because the truth lives in the variation, not in the average. This week, choose one metric you rely on. Write down the individual values. Look at the spread. Look at the extremes. Then ask one question. What is the variation trying to tell me?